Elite Exteriors is out at the Links Golf Course at the Sandestin Golf and Beach Resort, and not just for the coveted hole-in-one. Today we're sponsoring the 10th annual Fore Golf Tournament, and we couldn't be more honored.
We're fortunate enough to sponsor the 19th hole for the 10th annual Fore Breast Cancer Awareness Golf Tournament here in Sandestin. It's huge because we love to be able to support the community, especially breast cancer survivors, and we're happy to be able to help survivors and help bring awareness to breast cancer.
Fore is a nonprofit organization that works to financially support patients currently battling breast cancer and their families. The purpose of this golf outing is to raise funds for breast cancer patients in financial need in Northwest Florida while they're undergoing treatment.
So I started this in honor of my mom and my aunt, who both passed away from breast cancer, and my family received financial help from fundraisers throughout the years while my mom was battling breast cancer. And so we just decided to pay it forward and start For Her and be able to help ladies in this area where I live now. And it's just really a great way to honor my mom. I think that any type of cancer affects every one of us. We all know somebody that has been through some type of cancer, and friends and family members don't know how to help the person that is battling breast cancer or whatever type of cancer it is. Fundraisers like these allow the community and friends to show support to somebody they may not know, or even their friend. We have a few people that golf that we've supported their friends financially. So it'll inspire our community and the golfers, and it'll inspire the breast cancer patients to know that there is help out there. We are here to help.
Not only do they provide funds for those in need, they also have monthly in-person support groups as well as virtual meetings held via Zoom. If you or someone you know would like to reach out to Amy Walsh or the For Her organization, you can do so by emailing amy@forher.org or by searching For Her Emerald Coast on the web and across all social media platforms. Elite Exteriors is proud to be a part of this amazing event and to work with such a wonderful organization that is doing so much good for our local community. We are also proud to be able to help our local community by providing above par service when it comes to your roof.
We'd like to be able to support the community, and we'd like to be able to help you, our fellow Floridians, and their roofing and solar needs.
When it comes to roof repair, roof replacement, or solar panel installation, Elite Exteriors is the premier residential and commercial resource for unparalleled service, craftsmanship, and quality along the Emerald Coast. And it's all backed by an unprecedented lifetime labor and materials warranty. Give Elite Exteriors a call today at 850-557-9257 to schedule your no-cost initial consultation and inspection, or visit EliteExteriorsUSA.com for more information.